that start button. And when you do, you'll start seeing all of the data that's going through. And you'll start to see your live, your stream health. And now I'm getting an error message here that my resolution is currently at 320. Not supported for this configuration, but it looks like it is coming through. So what I want from everyone as proof of purchase on this is you're going to take a screenshot of this, save it to a Word document, and that's your proof. But let's do a couple of things here while we're at it. First and foremost, you have your analytics. So if you are streaming a live presentation, you're able to see how many people are actually hitting this and watching it. You can also share this link through these different vehicles or copy and paste it. Let me get my cursor back in here. So right now 0 people are watching because this is just coming through, obviously just coming through this. But if I come down here and click on watch on a page, or copy and paste it, back in here. All right, so we see that we've got a bit of a time lag, which is I mentioned before. And now you can see that there's one person watching, which is myself. So you can engage the chat on this. So as you're doing a presentation, and back on my dashboard, you'll actually be able to see what the comments are and actually respond back to them. So, very much like what we have on Facebook, with Facebook Live, where you're able to kind of do. I'm sorry, bringing back the media. Just like we have on Adobe Live, where you can comment and everything else. This is pretty much the same type of format. The difference is that with the YouTube Live, the YouTube Live feature is Facebook's encoder. So that's why you don't have to put a stream name or anything else, because Facebook has already included that in its overall interface. So the minute that you hit that live button, it automatically engages it. With YouTube, you've got to use an encoder like this to send that signal out. But once you have that information set up, then it becomes incredibly simple to do. The stream name doesn't change. Your URL doesn't change. Is you can take, and I'm coming back over here to my share, and actually, my mistake. You can come back from the front end of this. Where is it? Here we go. So on share, you can grab the embed code, go into a web page, I'm going to fire up Dreamweaver real quick just to show you how simple it is. So I'm just going to create a basic HTML page. Go into my code in between my body, paste it, switch to live, and there I am. That's how easy it is to go ahead and embed. And I actually prefer this method a lot better, only because when it's more professional, if you're pointing people to the YouTube page itself, not only are you getting the player, but you're also getting all of this stuff. And you don't want to be promoting other people's videos, whatever, when you're trying to complete your own presentation. So Um, it seems a little about, more difficult than what it really is, but in all honesty, the two parts that you really needed was to create your well, first of all, to sign in your YouTube. And if you don't have Gmail, which I don't think that's even a thing anymore these days, um, but if you're not logged into your Gmail, or you're just going straight to YouTube, log in, follow the steps that I showed you, download the video encoder, and I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream.